I've had the same metal wire whisks for years, and up at the base, they actually started to rust a little bit, and one even separated. So I decided it's time to try silicone. That's what I did. So here I have the Walfos Silicone Whisks, and I knew what colors I was getting. I was going to get the green, blue, and red combo because you know what? Hey, if I have the opportunity to do something with color, I'm going to do it. So I ended up getting exactly what I ordered. Now, these are supposed to be heat resistant up to 450 degrees, and we're going to go and test the theory by putting them inside of some boiling water. But what I like about it is that you're going to get these different sizes, one that's large, one that's a medium, and one that's small. And that's perfect because sometimes you need something a little bit bigger, like if you're mixing up cake batter, but sometimes you don't really need anything super big, and that's why I like this. They feel really durable. It doesn't feel like they're going to break or anything like that. So I'm really surprised, very, very surprised. The box says that you can put it in the dishwasher, which is fantastic. Um, I have washed mine with soap and water just because I wasn't sure. But let's go ahead and try putting it inside a pot of boiling water. Now, I have had these whisks inside of this boiling water for 3 minutes. And just to prove to you how hot it is, it's pretty hot. So it's touching the very bottom of the pan, and you'll see it's 211.6 degrees. It's not quite at the 450 that it claims, but you know what? That is still hot. And it's not melting off at all. So I have to say, you know what? This is definitely going to work for what I need. Here's a close-up shot of the whisk. You'll see it still has water on it, but I don't see any damage to the whisk itself or to the silicone melting. There's none at all. So if you need to upgrade your whisks, then I highly recommend picking up these, especially if you make lots of sauces and things like that. These are going to come in handy.